Hi everyone! Happy National Fire Alarm Day. This Wednesday marks a very special occasion for many of us enthusiasts in the States, so I hope you guys enjoy some of the content other people are putting out. Unfortunately, I didn't have anything planned, but regardless, here's a cool video for all to see. Now, this was going to be the final episode of the Fire Alarms in Taiwan series I made a few years back. The only issue is that there is a lot of speaking in this video, and my Mandarin Chinese skills are not that great, so I can't quite translate. To those who are able to speak Mandarin, well, 大家好，我是方在人，谢谢你们来看见我的视频，我美国的朋友听不懂中文，不知道说什么。Anyways, you guys probably cringed at that, but yeah. That being said, I have turned on community captions with the hopes that some of you who are more competent in translating will help with some of my English-speaking friends understand this really nifty FACP that I'll be showing in this video. I'd really appreciate it. And for those of you who are unable to translate, well, that's fine. I'm not going to put any pressure on you. So anyways, enjoy and thank you for coming and watching, everyone.
这个就是比如说我们设计有怎样，它会发报。
好。
哦，这个一样，好，不要有什么事情，我们对，这样，发报，这个叫做消防，消防设计的，消防队，家里，对，对，哦，就这样。这样。
Okay.
Okay.
So this here is a label showing.
这上面这就是消防总和受信总机。
So that's a label showing that this is the control panel and.
就这样，
So, alright. So this here's a conventional, I think it's a modular system with have all the zones listed over here. 那做什么？
这个就是各栋的楼层，比如说你家9楼3，有事你家就会知道了，它发报就会知道了。对。
那个。
这个就是比如你发报以后，它真的有火灾的时候，这边会显示，会有灯会一直闪。
Alright. So it's pretty complicated. 为什么这个 blinking 啊？
这个，我跟你讲，这是我们平常对不对？万一说他没事，他会误报，他就出去了，比如出去了，所以我们要先把它先关起来，现在打开就没有了。好。万一说怕说误报，其实有时候那个蜘蛛网是那个你们的感应器。那个没干净的话，它也是会响。所以我们平常先把它关起来。我们关起来作业，因为我们这边它还是有什么事情才会，不会想出来，我们都知道。
OK。好。那是或在电话。
电话。
是啊。
电话是联络。他们有时候他们对各栋对不对？他们要维修。对不对？要维修，他要用这个电话跟对面联络，这样。
Okay.
对。
All right. So for you guys, so this is a control panel.
对。
是啊。And this is the broadcaster.
广播对。
是啊。这个
广播。
speaker
是 speaker， 这意思说，比如说有社区有事情，有事情了，要赶快用这边赶快广播出去，让你们住户大家知道有什么事情发生这样。
OK。So when there's a voice message right now, they would play a special recording It's dedicated. And also you can use this as a general PA system for just general stuff they need to announce for the entire apartment complex. So yeah. Yep.